Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add a quantity option on Shopify so your customers can choose the number of items they want directly from your product pages. Start by logging into your Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store to access your store's customization options, then hit Customize to enter the theme editor. In the theme editor, go to the top menu, click Homepage, and select Products from the drop-down. Then click Default Product. This controls the layout for all your product pages. Now, to add the quantity selector, click the plus icon to add a new content block. From the list, choose Quantity Selector. This will allow your customers to select and purchase multiple items at once, which can help boost your sales. Finally, don't forget to save your changes in the top right corner to ensure everything updates on your live site. And that's it. You've successfully added a quantity option to your Shopify store, giving your customers a smoother, more flexible shopping experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.